Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable screenshot protection on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into your Signal account, you'll land on your main chat screen where all your conversations are displayed. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will take you into Signal's main settings area where you can control various aspects of how the app functions and protects your privacy. Inside the Settings menu, look for and tap on Privacy. This section is specifically designed to manage all the privacy-related features that Signal offers, including message timers, read receipts, and screen security options. Once you're in the privacy settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Screen Security. This feature is what prevents screenshots and screen recordings from being taken while you're using Signal. It's a security measure designed to protect your conversations from being captured, but you can disable it if you need to. Right beside Screen Security, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply tap on this toggle to turn off the Screen Security feature. Once you do this, the screenshot restriction will be disabled and you'll be able to take screenshots of your Signal conversations whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the screenshot protection on your Signal app, giving you the flexibility to capture screen content when necessary. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.